All right, guys, so here we're a week or so after we got done with our snow day with Merica. We took this thing out, hooked a car hood to it, we put a roll bar on, got some old friends together, had some fun in the snow. You can see the aftermath of it here. We got a bogger that blew off the rim there towards the end of our time, and it definitely wasn't easy on it out there in that snow. It was pretty deep. It was a lot of fun getting the guys together and going out and playing again. We all work so much anymore and have things going on in life, so we don't take time to do the normal things we would have used to do when we were a little bit younger, maybe. So she's in the shop, still filthy. We need to get the bogger back out on the rim. We're actually going to glue it on the rim this time. The one on this driver's side's glued on, but this is what it looks like. We're fixing to fix it. So we got our bogger here all dried off, got all the debris out of it, got our rim cleaned up. Bevy's going to put a new valve stem in it here. Beautiful. Try not to wipe my nose with my hand. Alright. Now hold on a second. Use this thing. Beautiful. Oh, like a glove. Now, put a bead around the top. I don't know if we blew it on the last time on the tire machine or not. It seems like we may have had it standing up. A lot of ways guys try to keep these tires on the beat, especially running stupid low PSI like we do. We're trying to run less than 10 PSI And these tires on the rear of this truck, we're essentially trying to get it to transfer weight so that it'll load the rear end really hard. So you're taking virtually 1,000 horse of diesel power and putting on a tire with less than 10 psi in it. No bead locks. The old bead blaster aired up again to maximum pressure. The key is to air it up right before it goes to the red so it doesn't blow the top off valve and leak all the air out. Which I don't think the air compressor in the shop there is all the way up, so we're not going to have that issue. Yeah, buddy. That was almost too easy. We usually try stuff at least 10 times before it happens. I don't really want to. Okay, take all the excess off here. Well, somewhat. Sounds easy. Alright guys, so you saw how we fixed our tire on Merica here, on Merica I should say. We fixed it on the budget as best we could. 14-inch wide weld rim. I mean, those are old school as they come. They're super light, super durable rims. We didn't want to put holes in them by putting screws in them like a lot of guys do when they're sled pulling and whatnot. So good old tube of windshield urethane, a little time, and us being a little bit dirty, but I think it'll work out for us. So we're going to try to get some more videos out every week for you guys and try to do more entertaining things as the weather gets nicer. So make sure you guys share, like, and subscribe to the Merica-Tv YouTube channel. Thank you. So what are you complaining about, taking the paint off Merica?
You got my good paint screwed up.
Poor thing.
You and your duct tape.
That's how you hold things on. There's nothing more Merica than duct tape, okay?